Vietnam mga ka-magic! Among last day karon sa Hanoi, and we are going to roam around to look for our pasalubong.
Oh, nice.
They are family in the Philippines.
How much?
Hello.
Ano?
Vietnamese.
Sada?
40 isa.
Also Vietnamese.
Paliti siya kay tiga siya bikuan.
40 man, oy.
40.
30. I will buy 5.
30?
5.
Banda, titaan, tawad.
How much? About this one?
Pindot no?
Ito kila.
How much?
Tulong 100. Mura lang ate.
Ala?
Libre.
Love that! 3 for 100. Ooh!
Discount.
Last price.
Lang na. I made the combo. Mura lang for you. Mura lang oy. Tulong 100.
Wala lang ay, tulo
Friend,
100.
the Filipina.
Do you have a Filipino
You have
friend?
a Filipina friend?
Only one boyfriend Vietnamese. Maybe you libre for me one Filipino boyfriend.
Ah?
Nan ko ano niya?
I'm going to try it. Beautiful. La, looks nice.
Maganda.
Oh. This isn't a lucky bracelet.
Lucky and with charm, with story, like this, with the meaning, with you.
What's the meaning of this?
Seem like this one and in the charm, yeah. Depending on the charm, we weigh the bracelet.
How much is this one? 20.
Oh,
Oh, discounted.
name 100.
7.
Oh, ito na. Mura lang. Wait lang ang libre.
7. I will buy 7. Oh,
Tulo 100.
Oh,
Ato,
so,
dili na, ang
200.
yun mo siya 207.
You
One is free.
Tatlo,
Ah,
one
okay.
libre. Okay? Isa free. Dahil tatlo.
Tatlo, then free.
Isa. Oh. This one.
Mga ka-magic,
200.
yan total kay 50. Ako ngayon og 30. Di siya masugot. Okay, 30, 50 na daw. Ganun ko niya gusto 40. Best in Tawad. Ganun yung ka-magic kay walay sapi. Ka-magic, she won for
Okay, I'm happy.
40k. So, I give her 200k.
How old? He is 25.
25.
How about?
Filipino.
Salamat po niya. Oy, sorry. Oh, no. No. Ugani, unumi, kapito ko.
This one is 90. I'll buy this at 3 for
Paano siya magtita-tita?
yeah, 60.
Ay, isa. I will take your video kay. I will send it to my daughter. Oh.
60. Is it okay?
Uy.
This is the real of this.
You see?
Hoy, tita.
Hoy,
Oh,
tita.
no.
Daughter. What's
Okay.
your name, daughter? Tita.
What's the name of your daughter?
Yeah, hi Raika. Kamusta Raika? You mabuti. Yeah, next time la come here Vietnam, come here with me in mura lang. Mo tawad and libre nya. Raika, come here. Yeah, salamat po nya. Come here for me with the mother for you. So maganda. Tita.